Hello, for this week's extra credit, we are going to be using the Parkland formula in which you calculate the amount of fluid in milliliters. Use the rule of nines. So the formula would look like TBSA equals the percentage of total body surface area burned, and then the W stands for weight in kilograms, and then the fluid you will always times 4 times the TBSA and the weight. So I chose to talk about question number 2 in terms of a different patient being admitted in the burn unit. We see here that the burn is in their upper front torso, the lower front torso, and their lower right leg. So those each are gonna equal 9%, which gives us a total TBSA of 27%. Then to calculate that, fluids for the 24 hours are going to equal 4 milliliters times the kilograms times the total percent of TBSA, which brings us to 4 times 90 times 27, which gives us 9,720 milliliters in 24 hours. So for the first 8 hours, we're going to divide that total number by 2, which gives us 4,860 milliliters. Then for the next 16 hours, the remaining 16 equals 4,860 milliliters, and you are gonna divide that by the remaining 16 hours of the total 24 hours, which is 16, which gives us 3.3.75 milliliters per hour. So to convert that into liters, that gives us 0.30 liters every hour. And here is my work for question number 1 and question number 2, as you just saw.